What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Cooks. We are back for another video. Man, we're picking up these Georgetown 6s. But yeah, it took some thinking. I was trying to figure out how to go about this. Let's go see what happens. I did hear that this shoe palace, as well as all the other shoe palaces that are on the street, not in the malls, are not doing raffles. They're first come, first serve. I also heard that this one might open at 9 a.m. this morning. So it is 9:10. Are they not open? What's up? What's up? All right, so they are open. All right, let's go. Oh shoot, they got all kinds of stuff here. Okay, let's go see about these 6s. All right, so he was here before me. They also are opening up the boxes, but look at this. Oh my goodness, all kinds of stuff readily available. Oh my God, that's crazy. And I've never seen this location get dunked, so man, things are definitely changing. Also got the Michigan State dunks right here. So apparently people are calling those the Lakers dunks, Michigan State dunks apparently. Okay. And then I have shown this plenty of times, but I'll talk to y'all about them. The Visionaires right here. Got plenty of Jordans, all kinds, even in this small low volume store right here. But yeah, I got the Brotherhoods, got some mids. Okay, this is grade school. This is size 8, so men's. Another men's right here. Reverse breads, is that what we're calling these? I guess I'll just call them whatever the hell I want. You got the elephant, the desert elephants. Got these are size 12. Also got these mids right here. I guess I skipped those. Got a couple of 5s. Got the Citrus 7s, dude. The resale on these are, I happened to check StockX for some reason and they were really low, so readily available. Look at that. Look at that. Looks good. Man, got 12s. These stealth 12s are ridiculous, man. If I did have the money, I'm gonna be honest, I would grab those. I do like the suede 6s better, so that's why I'm going with those. Also got the 13s and then the Obsidians. And then we got the Ginger 14s. That's just crazy. Then got a bunch of grade school stuff. Like, I've never even seen these. What the hell are these? Just have all that texture on that leather right there. Got flowers on it. That's definitely. All right, guys, we are back in the sneaker room, and yeah, these 6s, these are fire. These are the Georgetown 6s. It is made of suede, you guys. It is suede, long hair suede. And yeah, we really don't see too many long hair suede 6s, so I did have to. And then got a ton of stuff in the grade school. Oh my goodness. A lot of the stuff is available in men's. They still got these in grade school. Wow. Oh, this is a men's. This is size 9. Dang, I'm tripping, dude. What the hell, dude? I swear I thought this was all grade school. But still got these as well in men's. Oh my goodness. And then they do have a bunch of stuff on sale, but I checked that out just the last visit. I was just here, earlier this week? So yeah, all right, let's go get these 6s and we'll talk about them. We'll look at them and yeah, let's go. These are it, dude. The materials on this ridiculous. All right, let me pay for it and then let's go home and let's take a look at these, man. These are sick. Oh, it does have 3M on it too. Yeah, materials. I'm digging the materials. Man, let's go. All right, guys, we are back in the sneaker room, and yeah, these 6s, these are fire. These are the Georgetown 6s. It is made of suede, you guys. It is suede, long hair suede. And yeah, we really don't see too many long hair suede 6s, so I did have to grab these. I actually originally wasn't sure if I would get them because, man, man, economically, it's not like I have a ton of money sitting around, so I wasn't sure if I should get these, but man, I had to grab these. I had to grab them, man. Utilizes one of the OG color blockings, so it does utilize the gray as the primary color and the upper pretty much all gray. Then it does have the accents of the college navy on the midsole. Also has a little bit on the tongue right there, the lace lock. the spoiler in the back, as well as the Jumpman logo. This is one of the OG color blockings that they've utilized for quite some time. Originally started with the infrared 6s, one of my favorite 6s. These are just ridiculous, these are fire. But yeah, pretty much the same color blocking other than the Nike logo on the back. And like I said, we've seen this with numerous Jordan 6s. Also utilized this with the DMPs. These originally released in 06. Then they re-released them just a couple years ago. Also utilized them in a bunch of the OG colorways like the white infrareds, the sport blues, and even on ton of the more recent colorways like this electric green right here. And they even utilize that color blocking on the Travis Scott 6s for the most part, because it's a little different. The little accents are slightly different, but very similar color blocking. For some of you newer collectors, as well as the youngins, you know, the other color blocking, this is the other way that they color block most of the 6s. This is the more integrated color blocking, where they kind of mix the primary and secondary colors. This is one of the OGs that they did this with. Actually, this is the only OG that they did this with originally. It does have the Nike Air on the back, and they utilize this with a ton of different colorways. PSGs right here. Then the UNC 6s, they just came out with these a little while back. This is part of the inspired pack, so it does have that patch on the back that some people like, some people don't like. All right, went off on a little tangent. Let's get back to these 6s. These 6s are so nice. The material is so soft. Long hair suede. Super long hair. I am such a fan of that. You can see, I don't know if it shows up on camera, you can actually see the hair going side to side. You can actually see that little motion. These are fire. Such a fan. Does have all the traditional elements of the 6s. Most of you guys know this was inspired by sports car, just like many of the other Jordans, but does have that spoiler in the back. Does have the Jumpman logo as well as the Air on the back. This is not one of the OG colorways, so it does not get that Nike Air. It does have the lace lock that all the 6s come with. Also has that little lace cover with the Jumpman logo on top. All 6s do have that Nike Air that you can see in the heel. And then also has the translucent rubber that does surround that Nike Air. And pretty much like every 6, does have that translucent material on the bottom, as well as the holes up on top. And then it does have the big Jumpman logo. And then almost forgot the tongue. This is one of the signature designs on the 6s. Does have the 2 holes up top, and yeah, it makes it easier to grab and throw them on feet. Also does have that padding around that ankle, extra thick padding around it. And yeah, these are fire, you guys. These are fire. I'm such a fan of these. I love the 6s. I know not everybody loves these 6s, but to me, I'm a big fan. They're super comfy. They fit a little big, to be honest. I wear 10.5 on 90% of the Jordans, but these are one of the few that I do get a size 10 on, because these do run slightly big. Super fire. Such a fan. Yeah, that's it, you guys. That's it. These I'm a fan, you guys. I'm a fan. Almost forgot to go over the box, you guys. It does come with the OG box, kind of OG. We've seen these on quite a few different boxes. They come in varieties of Jordan 6s. Also come in with some of the Jordan 5s. I think the Jordan 5 What Does were in here. Jordan 5 Oregons also came in here. But yeah, it does have a bunch of pictures, bunch of different logos, bunch of different Jordans. And yeah, it is one of the flip top boxes. These are more sturdy than just the regular boxes, so I'm kind of a fan of these. Like I said earlier, did get a size 10. Normally I get a size 10.5 on most J's. But yeah, these pretty fire, guys. I'm a big fan. Readily available, you guys. I checked sneakers this morning, the day after release. Still have a few sizes, and I'm sure plenty of stores still have them. The Jordan market it's changed. It's changed quite a bit. It's been easy to get these general release Jordans now, you know, which is great for me. I really was trying to figure out whether I should get these or try to get them at the outlets, or whether I should get them for retail on release day. I'm gonna be honest, I kind of lean towards at the outlets, because lately we've been finding everything, especially at the clearance store. If I could find this at the clearance store for $100, oh my god, like that would be freaking fire. But that doesn't guarantee me getting a pair, and I really wanted to guarantee that I had a pair of these, because it's long hair suede, man. It's long hair suede, and it's a Jordan 6. Not too many of those. I think this is the only one that I have. The other one that I do want eventually is the British khaki Jordan 6s, and resale's been falling, so I'm hoping those continue to fall. Maybe I can get a used pair sometime, I don't know. But yeah, the market's definitely changed, definitely easier to get. I'm curious to see how the fire red 3s are going to be next week. The resale's pretty low on that, so I do predict that, hey, they're not going to be too difficult to get, but it is one of the super OG colorways, so, you know, that changes sometimes, you know, because the OGs, man, everybody loves OGs. So we'll see what happens. But thank you so much for making it to the end. Thank you so much for supporting the channel and watching till the end. But yeah, make sure you help a boy out. Press that like button if you're new. Go ahead, press that subscribe button, click on that notification bell. Got plenty videos coming. My goal is a video every day, and that's what I try to get to y'all. So yeah, got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace. These are fire, dude. These are fire. It does utilize the gray, the primary color gray up top, and then slight collectors, as well as some of the new, and for almost forgot to go over the box, you guys. Can get regular general release Jordans, like red